Hi everyone, I'm here to do a sign up for the Spook-tober collaboration, which is hosted by Lesley Bromfield. She's a little bit under the weather at the minute, so I thought I'd come on and do a sign up for her, just because obviously we want to get people notified, and if they want to take part there's time to. So basically this is a 5-week collaboration which is running from the 3rd of October to the 31st of October, and what required is that you must be 18 or over. You must be confident on YouTube and uploading videos. You must be able to follow the prompts, and of course you must love Halloween. So if you're interested in doing this collaboration, which is always fun, please email me, and I'm going to leave my email in the description box below, and then I'll pass that on to Lesley. And if you could email me by the 26th of September, that would be great, because there are only 10 spaces available for this collaboration. So yeah, so that is the new collaboration that's coming. I hope you can hear my little Theo in the background. He's back from school. Yeah, so I just thought I'd put this little Halloween camera that I made the other day. This was following Kristiannes tutorial, so I thought maybe that might give a little bit of inspiration. I'm dead excited. I can't wait to do this collaboration. As everyone knows, I do love Halloween, so it'll be great to be with all my fellow Halloween enthusiasts. If you'd like to take part, please get in touch as soon as you can. All right guys, take care.